Hey there, Facebook users. Today, we're going to show you how to enable Ask Every Time location access permissions in the Facebook app. So if you're ready to take control of your location privacy, let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store. Once you're there, type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then hit the Install button. Once the app is downloaded, open it and sign into your account. Step 2. On the Facebook app home screen, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on it to reveal the side menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to expand the options. Step 4. Within the expanded menu, continue scrolling down until you reach the Your Activities section. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 5. Now, within the Your Activities section, tap on Device Permissions. Step 6. Among the listed permissions, locate and tap on Location. Step 7. You'll see an option to update the settings. Tap on it. Step 8. This will open your device settings specifically for app permissions. Scroll down until you find App Permissions and tap on it. Step 9. Among the listed app permissions, search for Location and tap on it. Step 10. Finally, you'll see a few options related to location access. To enable Ask Every Time location access permissions, tap on Ask Every Time. Great job! You've successfully enabled Ask Every Time location access permissions in the Facebook app. Now, whenever the app requires access to your location, it will prompt you for permission. That wraps up our complete guide on how to enable Ask Every Time location access permissions in the Facebook app. Taking control of your location privacy is essential, and now you know how to do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.